Most people have a plan for what they would do if they won the lottery, and everyone's list look pretty similar. Buy a house, pay off your debt, donate to charity, maybe get a flash car or go on a nice holiday if you have some leftover. With that said, what do people buy when money is literally no object? It turns out they buy some pretty ridiculous stuff. So, here are the 10 most expensive useless things that billionaires spend their money on. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. Diamond Mercedes. This most expensive Mercedes is diamond car, mink furnished Mercedes SL600 worth $4.8 million, and it was unveiled at a Dubai auto show to celebrate the 50th anniversary of the Mercedes-Benz SL550 in 2007. The car is the property of Saudi Prince Amir, one of the top 10 richest people in the world according to Forbes. Prince Walid has 50 cars in his collection. The diamond-studded car is one of the hottest and most expensive Mercedes in the world. To have a sparkling cover with a 300,000 diamonds, 13 experts worked on the car throughout 2 weeks. Just a touch, you will have to pay $1,000. It is certainly that no car could be more gorgeous than this diamond encrusted car on the street. However, are you brave enough to drive it on the road? Just a small scratch will cost thousands of dollars. Number 9. Dog collar. If diamonds are a girl's best friend and a man's best friend is the dog, then somewhere in that mix, dogs and diamonds meet. The Amour diamond collar is so expensive that it has its own Wikipedia page. At $3.2 million, owning this collar merits that its owner be arrested and have all their funds confiscated because they are clearly not of sound mind. Soundness of mind in this case is determined by one's ability to have empathy for others. $3.2 million makes this one of the most expensive dog collars. That money would go a long way if it was donated to the National Bail Fund Network, which provides bail for inmates who can't afford bail. Although may this collar just sits in a museum where people gawk at it, that's acceptable. But if it sits in your house, then make a big donation ASAP. Number 8. iPhone. This is an iPhone 5 that's been blinged out 6 ways from Sunday. A businessman from Hong Kong commissioned craftsman Stuart Hughes of Liverpool to help him show off his family treasure. There's only so much you can do to a phone to make it look super expensive. This handset has 600 white flawless diamonds with full gold dressing for the rear section, with the logo in solid gold with 53 flawless diamonds, which continues. This masterpiece boasts a massive circa of 135 grams of 24 karat gold and, of course, sapphire glass set in the screen. Of course. But all that doesn't add up to the $15 million. The family treasure bit is what makes this phone so expensive. You just replace the iPhone 5's home button with the owner's 26 karat black diamond. Hughes is touting that this is the world's most expensive iPhone. Number 7. Solid gold bathroom. Can you imagine what it would be like to live in a $12 million Tribeca loft? How about one with an all-gold bathroom? The 18-carat functioning toilet called America has been sitting in a Jungham restroom for almost a year, an unusual creation by Italian artist Maurizio Cattelan. Although the toilet technically replaces an already existing public restroom and is designed for use, don't expect to actually get much time or use out of the piece if you decide to visit. 2 security guards stand menacingly close to the door to ensure you don't take too long inside, and weren't attempting to mess with the exhibit. Seriously, spending millions on a bathroom? How much money do you have to waste like that? Number 6. A dog mansion. In case you were wondering, Paris Hilton's pets have their own Instagram accounts. Now that's a surprise. Ever since her days of trotting around Tinkerbell, Paris Hilton has made the public aware of what it means to be a celebrity fur baby. When they're not lounging around inside Louis Vuitton trunks or traveling the world with their mom, members of the Hilton litter, which includes about 8, live it up inside a luxe LA mansion. But we are not talking about Mama's house. These pups have their own MTV-worthy crib, a frequent feature on Hilton's and her pets' social media accounts with a signature hashtag and all. The hashtag Doggy Mansion is a 2-story Spanish-style villa spanning 300 square feet. It even has a balcony. And if you're still not convinced, these dogs live better you, we will let you price tag do the talking. Hilton reportedly dropped $325,000 on the Mini-Mans back in 2009. Suddenly the term in the doghouse doesn't seem too bad. Number 5. Gold toilet paper. The obsession with gold dates back to centuries ago. Gold is abundant enough to create coins but rare enough that not everyone can make them. It doesn't corrode, providing a sustainable store of value, and humans are physically attracted to its color and feel. This metal is used nowadays almost on everything, from jewelry to dresses, artifacts to home decors, bags to headphones, microphones and phones, and now even toilet paper roll. When wiping with regular $100 bills becomes too pedestrian, why not try gold toilet paper? You will surely get the Midas touch every time you wipe. But who would ever think of flushing away real gold after rubbing one's bottom clean with it? Well, only if you have millions to flush down the drain, then simply opt for the 22-carat gold toilet paper. Number 4. A beach. When hundreds of luxury cars, custom-made mega trucks, and a personal island are not enough to flaunt your wealth, where do you turn? Sheikh Hamad decided to throw a little money around and carve his name into a beach on his private island Futesi. Futesi already has its own resort and golf course, but the massive carving of Hamad in the sand will certainly put the island on the map. Hamad, a member of the ruling family of the UAE, conceived the idea and hired workers from Pakistan and Bangladesh to complete the project, which finished 1,000-meter high letters stretching along 2 miles of beach. To ensure that the carving did not wash away with the tides, Hamad dug the letters deep enough to form waterways, in fact absorbing the water instead of caving in on itself. Written in block lettering, the giant Hamad is so large and deep that it can even be seen from space. Number 3. Haircut. Haji Hasnal Bolkhe, the Sultan of Brunei, dropped more than $24,000 on his most recent trim, the Times Online reports. For one of the world's richest men, it is a snip, but at $24,000, it must be the most expensive haircut ever. Worried about catching swine flu, the Sultan made sure that his barber didn't mix with other passengers on the plane and hence paid $18,000 for a private luxury cabin for his barber. Modesto runs a barber's at the Dorchester Hotel in Mayfair, Central London, and usually charges £30 for a trim. But the 63-year-old Sultan, one of the richest men in the world, pays the barber thousands every time he makes the 7,000-mile round trip to Brunei. Number 2. Tiger Shark. What do you get the person who already has everything? Apparently a giant real-life tiger shark, cut in half and suspended in formaldehyde. Sounds morbid, I know, but the shark is actually an art piece by Damien Hirst and someone originally bought for $93,000. That's already pretty expensive, but then billionaire hedge fund manager Steve Cohen bought the shark for $8 million. Now, I know art isn't usually useless, but remember, this is literally just a cut in half shard and it's decomposing, albeit slowly, but so it won't even be around forever. Number 1. Ghost detector. Lady Gaga is no stranger to eccentric behaviors. Who can forget her famous meat dress at the 2010 MTV VMAs? It was so famous that scientists decided to name a newly found insect after her, all inspired by the infamous dress. Eccentric aside, she is also thought to be quite spiritual. Many fans don't know that Lady Gaga actually spent $50,000 on a ghost detector in 2010 after claiming a ghost named Ryan chased her. We don't know exactly when Ryan the ghost decided to haunt her. Lady Gaga reportedly freaked out because he followed her around wherever she went. She described him as being annoying. Therefore, she contracted a medium and held a seance to try to communicate with him. Apart from that, she even hired a team of paranormal activity investigators to inspect every concert venue she was about to perform in search of the spirit.